Welcome back to Wayanad series. This is Sandy Driven by Nature. So this is the second video in our trip. If you missed the first one, link is in the description. Please go check out. And in this video, we are exploring a waterfall, and I'm going to show you my stay place, which is in the jungle. So let's go. Now we are going back to our stay place, which is Hilia Resort. You can Google it. It's right in the middle of the jungle, man. Trust me. You're going to witness in a couple of minutes, If you're a true nature lover, I don't have to ask you to be patient. If not, please be patient. You might fall in love with it. Let's explore. That's the dormitory. That's where the kitchen is. This is the main office. So I think this resort is basically located in jungle, You can see it. I'm not sure how much far we can go. I'll try. That is the electric fence. I mean, that's the end of this stay place. I'm not sure whether there's a way. Oh. I think this is the end of the property. As you can see, it's a fence and there's a water stream dividing the property and the jungle. So the other side is pure jungle. I mean, you can expect elephants and wild boars. And I heard stories from the property people saying that they entered few times, but it's safe, So that's the reason they put this electric fence. And that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys like it. And if you like it, please share it with your friends and comment what did you like about it. Keep watching Sandy Driven by Nature. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel, and enjoy every single day. Bye-bye.